5 minutes later.
Oh no, the Christmas light. The Christmas tree lights that I put them here, they are not working anymore. Let me see what's wrong with them. I bet this is my cat's work. The thing is, they are totally connected really good. Yeah, everything is working. You're playing with the lamp? What did you do? Let me see. You have fun from here? And why it's working still? What else did you do? Why this one is not working? Oh, we are missing one here too, but you missed one here and it is still working. And I can see another one here. And it's from here. Come here, come here. We have to put this one back in the place. Oh, the Christmas night came back. But why these ones are not working? I mean, why without having them in the place, it is still working? This one and this one, what was the difference here? As you can see, in the right side we are unplugging everything from the main plug, but in the left side we are unplugging just the LED, the diode, and not LED, actually it's a lamp. When we are plugging the whole plug-in back, it's gonna make everything works again. I can describe everything better with you. Come with me, come with me. First thing first is to make some lamps. Let's say these circles, each of them are one of the lamps that we have. Let's see two different sets to see how they can act. One of them is series, the other one I'm gonna make parallel set of lamps. In the upper one, as you can see, when we are showing how the electricity is going from here, for example, and continuing to pass through each lamp and making the whole circuit. And the thing is happening here is each of the lamps that we have has two legs. These are somehow connected to each other, and when the electricity passing through this lamp, it's gonna go through the other lamp and the other lamp and the other lamp. The amount of electricity is passing through each of these lamps are totally same, and all of them are equal to the current I. But in parallel wire, the thing is happening is if we have the same kind of lamp, when the current coming here, and we have four lamp here right now, 1/4 of the whole current gonna go to each lamp. That means if we have this set of lamps, make them like this. These are, I'm not the best drawer. When we have the current going from here, it's deciding to go from here or there, and it depends to the resistance of each of these ways. For example, if it's go from 1 or 2, that depends on the resistance of 1 or 2. R2 be less than R1, that means the current going through 2 is more than current going through 1, and that means the lamp 2 is brighter than lamp 1. Now you understand everything from the theory and other things. Let's change these two and see what's happening. Big guy, I don't know why and how you did this, but I will understand it. As you know, from whatever brand that you are buying these color lights, mini lights, they will include for you some of the extra lamps. Why? Because they know that these things can happen. The child can play with these, or I don't know, maybe our cat can play with these, and that's the thing that's happening. Because of that, we have, for example, this one, that one of the other lamps, and we are gonna put it back here. But as you can see, because the plug is still inside, I cannot put this in. Because of that, I have to remove the whole plug. And now, with looking at the plug, we can see that it has two parts that they can connect to the other parts of this wire. They are copper part, and because of that, the lamp is not working right now because there is no connectivity in this hole. Now we have to put one of other lamps to connect everything again. But why is this lamp is working? Oh, wow. Wow, I didn't know about this. I don't know what's happening. I cannot understand this. Okay, I understood everything. Now, as you can see here, can you see this plate? The plate is not connected really good to the other wire, and this wire, because of it getting warm, connecting to the plate and disconnecting, and because of that it makes the whole wire connect and disconnect, and that's the whole reason of this kind of wire. Right now that you can see, it get warm enough to get connected, disconnect, connect, disconnect. And because of that, the whole system connecting and disconnecting. If I put, for example, the whole thing somehow around here, it's connecting and disconnecting. And that's beautiful. Now that you found out why this color is turning off and on and how it's doing it, the other question that we have is why the color of this is warm white. The thing is, all these colors that you are seeing here, even this, for example, blue or green one that I'm gonna connect it, all of them has the same kind of lamp. But the thing is, the shell, the outer shell, as you can see, has a color. For example, here right now we have orange color. Here, the other one is a red color that I'm gonna remove one of the plugs and connect these, and you can see that it's working. Why right now here, with unplugging one of the plugs, half of the wire is not working, but the other half is still working? The thing is happening right now is, as you can see, this has 3 wires, but those one has 2 wires. That means this big one, as you can see from the start to the end, it has 2 series that they are parallel to each other. And as you know, when they are parallel to each other, each of them can turn on individually. But when they are series together, if one of them is turned off, the whole thing gonna turn on. And for making everything good again, we have to just plug one of our lamps back. And just that. What is the good thing about being parallel? For example, let's say we have this lamp and this lamp, and let's say one of the lamps gonna go bad. When the lamp is going bad, that means they are not, for example, connected anymore. There is no connectivity around this way. All the current should go from this way. That means current that before has to choose between here and there, and half of it going to each way. Now the whole thing can go to the one here and make it brighter. But if we have a system like this that is series to each other, if this one is not working anymore and there's no connectivity around here, no current can go from here, and all the lamps gonna turn off together. When in our beautiful lamps for the Christmas tree that we have them like here, we have all of them in series. And when we have something like this, when one of them is not connected, the whole current gonna vanish. But in the longer Christmas tree light, the thing is happening is beside these lamps that we have 2 sets of lamps parallel together. And when they are parallel to each other, that means if one of them is not working anymore and there is no current going through this side of the Christmas tree light, current still can go to the other way and make these turn on. Thank you for watching this video, and happy Christmas. Have a nice holiday. Please like and subscribe to make more videos for you. Please like and subscribe.